Hey guys, it's Brent Malone here. So I recovered from my video for 50 subscribers, but now I've got the hiccups. I don't know how I got the hiccups, but I got the hiccups, and I'm trying to get some clothes put away, some laundry done, and I got the hiccup. Jeez. Now I got the hiccups. Jeez, I got the hiccups. I'm trying to get rid of them. You guys know it's hard to get rid of the hiccups. They'll disappear as mysteriously as they appeared. Doggone it. Get rid of these hiccups. Anyway, goes another one. Alright guys, I hope to get rid of these hiccups so I can do some more videos. I don't want to try to do a video if I'm going to have the hiccups. So, I hope they're going to be gone in a few minutes and... Jeez. Goes again. So, I'll let you guys know, and if I don't upload anything else today, jeez, because hiccups didn't go away. So, let you know, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.